Darshad, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Cisco Access server in GNS3. First of all, you have to install a Microsoft loopback adapter on your computer, and if you know, that's very good, and if you don't know, don't worry, I'm going to tell you where we can install this MS loopback adapter. Go in control panel, add and remove hardware, go for next. After the next, it will take search for CD, but there is no CD, and after that it will give you a message. You have to click on yes, I have already connected the hardware, then go for next. After that, go in the bottom of the list and you'll see add a new hardware device, click it, next, and ask him install the hardware that I manually selected from our list. Go for next and then choose a network adapter here. After that, go for next. It will take you here and you have to click on Microsoft loopback adapter and go next and then finish. It will install and come in your my network places properties here. Then you go to give any kind of IP which will communicate with your Cisco Access server. Go to properties, TCP IP. I gave 2.2.2.2 and I will give the 2.2.2.1 for our Access server router and 24-bit subnet mask. Okay, and okay. Double check. Yes, we configure the IP address. Now go for GNS3. Here it is. Double click. It will take a little time. Okay. Here it is. Cancel. Okay. First of all, you have to put your cloud here and a router here for your Access server. This router we will use for Access server. Then double click on this cloud or right click for configure. Go in CZO and click here. You will find MS loopback driver here. It's come here. If it's after the installation it's not coming here, you have to restart your computer. Click select this one and add. Okay, and then go for apply. Okay, now you have to go for your fast Ethernet 0/0 to connect this Microsoft loopback here adapter here. It's connected. Now choose a 2 router for your topology. You may choose 3, 4 or 5, but it's depend on your computer's memory. I have a low memory here, just a 1 GB, so I'm gonna choose only 2 routers here and then connect this router via serial interface. Okay, it's connected, and I'm going to check the console ports for router 1. Check the console port here, 2001, and the router 2 is 2002. Okay, now I'm going to start these routers. Okay, it will take a little time to start and boot. Okay, it's booted now. I have to go on this router which will make as our Access server, Cisco Access server router. Go to console. Okay, here it's coming and loading the computer. No, it will take a little time to install the iOS, to boot the actually iOS of the router. Enter. Okay, our router is booted now, and you have to give the router for a name for this router as Access server. Go for enable and then config T. After that, host name I'm gonna give Access server. Then you go for the interface fast 0/0, which is connected with Microsoft loopback adapter. IP address 2.2.2.1 24-bit mask. 255.255.0. remember the 2.2.2.2 we gave that IP address to Microsoft loopback adapter. Enter. No shutdown. Okay, it's done, and now we'll go for exit here, control that. Okay, here it is. Our line protocol is up with the fast ether 0. You can ping to Microsoft. This, hold on. Okay, ping for 2.2.2.2. okay, let's see if it's going to give a 100% or 80% success rate. Okay, here you see the 4 packets received, and it's communicating with our Microsoft MS loopback. Now you have to configure the router other. Sorry for T. Enter, and you have to go for IP host. Okay, and it's saying forward the name of router in GNS3 R1. Here it is, and here is our R2. Okay, I have to go for R1. Then it's saying choose a default telnet port. It's 2001. Then it's saying for tell the host IP address. You have to give the MS loopback adapter's IP address here. One router is configured, and if go for up arrow, I'm going back, and router 2. The telnet port number is 2002. The same IP address. Here it is. Okay, you can choose a third router, fourth, or 5, so on and so forth, as you like. Okay. Now here, Control Z, right. Okay. Fighting. Now, if you go for R1, enter. Okay, it's connected to our router 1. Here it is. If you go for no,